I would like for you guys to meet Abner. Abner's a very, very sweet and special boy. You were telling me all sorts of interesting things about him a minute ago.
Yeah, he kind of gives you the impression that he doesn't want to spend any time with you or look at you, but it just takes a minute or two and he's all yours. He loves to be pet under the chin. He loves the cheeks. He'll just rest his hand on yeah, I did it again, didn't I? He'll rest his chin on your hand and he just squirms around until he's got the right exact angle that he wants to be pet. He's really, really shy and he doesn't like to come out of his kennel because he's not quite sure about this whole situation. But if you go to him, he's willing to sit there and put up with your petting him for whatever you want to do.
And my guess is once he gets into a home environment, he is going to open up and be far more comfortable. Look at those beautiful little tufts on the top of his ears. Aren't they cute?
Are you, sweetheart?
Abner is a 4-year-old guy. He is FIV positive, and he was transferred in from a Kansas shelter. Kansas shelters won't allow FIV animals to be adopted, so we bring as many as we can over here so that they can find a forever home. FIV is not, it just means that the cat is slightly immune suppressed. It is not easily contagious and it does not cross breeds, so if you've got a dog you don't have to worry about that. Abner is expected to live a very healthy and normal lifespan as long as he gets regular checkups on an annual basis. So please come visit Abner and consider him for your family. He is looking for a forever home and he is a sweetheart who really deserves one. This is Abner and he is available for adoption today at Wayside.